Hello, good morning. Yes, welcome to my class. This is teacher Vanessa. What's your name, please? Koki. Nice to meet you in my class, Koki. How are you? What do you plan to do this Sunday? It's weekend. Oh, mm-hmm. All right. So, like, you will go to a Starbucks cafe? A cheaper one. Oh, okay. Do you usually go there just to, prepare for your presentation or to relax? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's nice. So this to your house. Okay, I see. All right, by the way, is this your first lesson this time? This morning? Yeah. Okay. So thank you for having me as your teacher, Koki. So are you now ready to start the lesson? Okay. So you chose a daily news textbook and the title is Discover Japan's Top Companies for Steady Wage Growth. Is the textbook correct, Koki? All right, so we will talk about this article later, but before that, let's consider the words and phrases first. Which do you like, US or U? Okay, please repeat after the US audio, and I will also play the sample sentence, okay? All right, let's start.
Mislead.
Okay, this is the sentence.
Be careful not to mislead people with vague statements.
Okay, now this is the word, the second word.
Fluctuate.
Okay, now this is the sentence.
Oil prices fluctuate daily depending on global demand.
Okay, good. Next word.
Sustainably.
Okay, this is the sentence.
The company aims to grow sustainably in all markets.
Okay, good. Next word.
Acquire.
Okay, this is the sentence.
The company plans to acquire several startups this year.
Okay, good. And last word.
Reorganization.
Okay, this is the sentence.
The team faced challenges during the reorganization process.
Very good. Okay, that's it. Do you have questions about the words and sentences, Koki? Yeah, everything's clear on this one. Okay, now let's proceed with the comprehension this time. Can you please read the three questions, Koki? Because you're going to answer this later after the audio. Mm. All right, thank you. So those are the questions that you'll answer later. Now I will play the audio. Which do you prefer, Koki? US, UK, or Australian? Still US. Okay, I will play it
Discover
now.
Japan's top companies for steady wage growth. A gap is growing between rising inflation and salary increases as governments push for higher wages. However, relying on the latest average income or one-year changes can mislead, since temporary bonuses from high profits might cause the data to fluctuate. To spot companies with truly sustainably growing wages, Toyuke Zay Online created a ranking that analyzed prime-listed companies, which are top-tier firms on the Tokyo Stock Exchange, with 4 years of income data by late October, averaging 3 years of growth rates from the fiscal year ending March 2025 back. Nippon Steel tops the list, with average annual income rising from 5.35 million yen fiscal year ending March 2022 to 9.05 million yen recently, as sales also expanded. The company acquired U.S. Steel, which will boost sales despite reorganization losses and tariffs. Second, Paksha Technology provides algorithms using natural language processing, a method for computers to handle human language, with its AI SaaS business growing, leading to higher sales, profits, more employees, and an average income of 11.25 million yen, fiscal year ending September 2024. Third, PAL Group Holdings income rose from 5.36 million yen fiscal year ending February 2022 to 8.67 million yen fiscal year ending February 2025. Top-ranked companies typically had increased sales and no industry bias, featuring both traditional manufacturing and AI firms, and some achieved high growth by quickly raising salaries from low bases during business expansion.
Okay, was the audio clear or you want to listen one more time? Mhm. Okay, so you want to answer the questions now? Okay, sure. So let's start with number one. What was the purpose of the ranking created by Toyo Keizai Online? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right. It is to spot companies with truly sustainably growing wages. That's right. Number two, how much did Nippon Steel's average annual income increase to recently? Mhm. Yes, that's right. It increased to 9.05 million yen. Okay, last, what kind of companies were included in the top rank group according to the article? You got it right. So good, we're done with this one. Okay, thank you, Koki. Let's proceed now to the reading. This time I will check your pronunciation, but when do you want to be corrected, Koki? During your reading or after your reading? Yes. So, for example, you have mispronounced word. Okay, I will correct you after you finish the article. Okay. Sure, you can start now, Koki.